Hey everyone, today we are diving into a topic that sounds simple but actually reshapes how you build meals on the fly. High-protein canned foods that aren't beans. And no, the variety isn't limited to tuna salad. I'm going to unpack not just what each option packs in protein, but how you can use it to fuel workouts, stay on budget, and keep meals tasty without sacrificing nutrition. Let's rethink the pantry game together. First, a quick frame. Canned proteins can be incredibly convenient, shelf-stable, and affordable. The catch is sodium and processing levels, so the goal is to pick low sodium or no salt added versions and rinse when needed. If you're calorie conscious, go for varieties in water rather than oil. Now, onto the lineup and the real-world how-tos. Tuna, a protein powerhouse with 20.1 g per 3-ounce serving. What makes this really interesting is how versatile it is. Mix into salads, use as a quick lunch base, or fold into Greek yogurt instead of mayo for a protein bump. Personally, I think tuna often gets underrated because it feels like a boring staple, but the protein per bite ratio is stellar. If you take a step back and think about it, canned tuna is a clean way to up omega-3s and B12 without turning cooking into a ritual. My take: keep a can in the fridge, maybe a squeeze of lemon and pepper, and you're 5 minutes from a solid meal. Salmon, 19.6 g per 3-ounce serving. This one isn't just about protein. It's a nutrient-dense pack thanks to omega-3s, potassium, and astaxanthin. What this really suggests is that you're buying into a meal that supports heart health and recovery after workouts. A salmon patty, salmon on crackers, or a quick salmon salad can become your weeknight staple. The bigger picture: you're trading a quick protein hit for something that also supports long-term wellness. Sardines, 20.9 g per 3-ounce can. Sardines are one of those pantry gems where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. They're packed with protein and vitamins like E, iron, B12, and calcium, plus omega-3s. A detail I find fascinating is how small fish like sardines pack so many nutrients in a simple can. You can top crackers, fold into pasta, or tuck them into a pizza for a protein upgrade without loading up on calories. If you're worried about taste, try mixing with a squeeze of lemon and a touch of olive oil to brighten the flavor. Chicken breast, can 21.5 g per 3-ounce serving. For those avoiding seafood, this is your go-to. It's a straightforward protein boost with B vitamins and minerals like zinc and selenium. The practical angle: canned chicken often costs less than fresh options and stays good in the pantry. Use it on sandwiches, wraps, or as a topper on salads to quickly elevate protein without cooking. The broader takeaway is that poultry expands the non-seafood spectrum of canned proteins without losing nutritional punch. Mussels, 10 g per 3-ounce serving. Mussels are less glamorous in the canned aisle but surprisingly nutritious. They bring iron, zinc, and B12 to the table, along with a solid dose of protein. What makes this interesting is the idea that you don't need to rely on the same few seafood stars to hit your targets. Mussels work well in pasta dishes, grain bowls, or soups for a lighter protein option when you want variety. Crab, 15 g per 3-ounce serving. Crab offers a milder seafood flavor and a decent protein hit, plus minerals like selenium, copper, and zinc. It's a nice option for seafood salads, crab cakes, or pasta additions. The bigger trend here is that canned seafood can diversify your protein sources without fresh meat costs. Great for budget-minded weeks. Are canned proteins healthy overall? The short answer is yes when you choose wisely. The common critique is salt and processing, but there are no salt-added versions and rinsing can significantly cut sodium. If you're counting calories, choose water-packed varieties to keep fats down. The key insight: you don't have to give up convenience to eat well. You just need to read labels and rinse or choose the right packaging. Putting it into practice: a few quick meal ideas. Tuna yogurt salad. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt, celery, a touch of Dijon, and your favorite greens for a protein-forward lunch in minutes. Salmon cucumber bites. Flake canned salmon over cucumber rounds with a dollop of yogurt herb dip for a bright, high-protein snack. Sardine crunch pasta. Toss sardines into hot cooked pasta with olive oil, lemon zest, chili flakes, and parsley for a nutrient-rich dinner. Chicken wrap toppers. Shredded canned chicken on whole wheat wraps with lettuce, tomato, and avocado. Easy, portable, filling. Mussels and soup. Drop mussels into a quick vegetable broth with herbs for a light, protein-rich soup option. If you're building a weekly plan, mix 2 or 3 cans from this lineup with a stock of veggies, whole grains, and a couple of pantry staples. The strategy is simple: rotate proteins to cover amino acid variety, keep an eye on sodium, and lean toward no salt-added options or rinsing protocols. Closing thought, canned proteins aren't just emergency backup foods. They're a smart, budget-friendly toolkit for keeping protein intake high without cooking a lot or buying expensive fish every week. The bigger question I'm left with is, how can we normalize having a rotating, protein-rich pantry that includes a wider set of seafood options beyond the usual suspects? If you've got a favorite canned protein you swear by, drop it in the comments and tell me how you use it in your meals. I'm curious to hear your go-to combos and any tricks you've developed to keep taste high and sodium low.